Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's video. I'm not feeling myself. I don't even have the energy, but we move as a mom. We need to make things happen. I'm starting my day with laundry. It's Sunday. Yesterday, I was out partying the whole day. I came back late around 10 o'clock. I was arriving at my place. I'm still tired. I even have a headache. If you when you see me with this, I am being strained. My eyes are strained. So yeah, I am just making things happen at this moment, even though I don't want. I don't have energy. So guys, let's start the day. Guys, this is a failed vlog and I apologize for that. So keep on watching. My aim was to give you my day, the whole day as a mom in the village, but then it didn't happen. Like I said in the beginning, that I was so tired. All I did was laundry because school uniform was important there, and I cooked because people need to eat. I didn't clean my house. After cooking, I took a nap, a very long nap. I thought I'll wake up and be productive, but it didn't happen, guys. So I am so sorry, and I promise I'm gonna give you something in the next week, Monday, the remaining days of July, the 3 days of July. I'm gonna give you a proper content. You know, most we doing laundry, we doing cooking, cleaning, and groceries. So guys, I'm really sorry. So this is actually, this is not a video. I just came here to apologize to you guys, but keep on watching. It's not a long video, it's just a short video. So during the day also, I cooked chicken with Barb. I'm in my mother's place. That's where I sometimes put my meat. Yeah, there I am just taking it out to defrost it, so that when I go to my house, it is ready to cook. But I couldn't pick up my tripod and set it up for recording because I was tired. We had a family gathering. If you follow me on Instagram, I was putting on some stories. We had a good time. So after cooking, after taking a nap, after bathing, that's when I was saying, my daughter, please just put this up and film me, record me while I'm taking out the laundry. And that is, guys. So thank you so much, and thank you for the support throughout the whole July so far. You guys have been amazing. I love you, and guys, God bless you and keep your families safe wherever you are. I will see you guys properly in the next video.